Hello friends, from today onwards we are going to discuss NCERT exemplar questions. First we are going to discuss 11 chapters and then 12 chapters. First I am going to discuss organic chemistry, some basic principle and technique. Now this chapter includes nomenclature, isomerism and general organic chemistry. So first, multiple choice question type 1. First question, which of the following is correct IUPAC name? Now, 3-ethyl 4,4-dimethyl heptane, so total 7 carbon atoms are present in main chain, and third position ethyl is present. At fourth position 2 methyl groups are present, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now this is correct and hence first option is correct option, while other are incorrect. Second option 4,4-dimethyl 3-ethyl, this is incorrect because 3-ethyl must be written before methyl, so option 2 is also incorrect. In option third 5-ethyl 4,4-dimethyl heptane, so again total 7 carbon atoms are present in main chain. At fifth carbon ethyl is present, and at fourth carbon 2 methyl groups are present. Now this is incorrect because numbering should be done from this end, so this is also incorrect naming. In fourth option 4,4-bis methyl, so if methyl group is present then we have to use di instead of bis, so this is also incorrect and hence first option is correct. The IUPAC name of the compound. Now this molecule is having COOH principal function group. So if COOH is present as principal function group, then numbering should start from COOH. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 carbon atoms are present in main chain. At fifth position fourth position oxo is present. So name of compound is 4-oxo. Total 5 carbon in main chain. So 4-oxo-pentanoic acid, and hence correct option is 4. The IUPAC name for the compound. Now this molecule is having Cl group, methyl, Cl, NO2 and methyl. Out of chloro, nitro and methyl, they all are prefix class group, so numbering should start from chloro according to lowest set of Locant rule. So chloro is present at first carbon, so 1 chloro. Then out of methyl and nitro, methyl should be written first according to alphabetical order, so 1 chloro, 4 methyl. At second position nitro is present, so 2 nitro benzene, and hence correct answer is 2, 1 chloro, 4 methyl, 2 nitro benzene. Electronegativity of carbon atom depend on their state of hybridization. In which of the following compound the carbon mark with asterisk is most electronegative? Now electronegativity of carbon increases with increasing percentage of S character. As S character increases, electronegativity also increases. So sp hybridized orbital is having 50% S character. sp2 hybridized orbital is having 33% S character, and sp3 hybridized orbital is having 25% S character. So where S character is more, electronegativity is high. So electronegativity is maximum when sp hybridized carbon atom is present. Now in this case carbon is sp3 hybridized. In second case carbon is sp2 hybridized. In this case carbon is sp hybridized and hence more electronegative carbon is present in third, and correct answer is 3. Next, in which of the following functional group isomerism is not possible? Now in first case alcohol, if we have alcohol then its functional isomer ether is possible. For example, if we have ethyl alcohol then its functional isomer CH3OCH3 is present. Aldehyde, so aldehyde have functional isomer ketone. If we have cyanide, so cyanide have functional isomer isocyanide, but functional isomer are not possible in alkyl halide, and hence correct answer is 3. The fragrance of flower is due to presence of some still volatile organic compound called essential oil. These are generally insoluble in water at room temperature, but they are miscible with water vapor in vapor phase. A suitable method for extraction of these oils from the flower is, so those compounds which are steam volatile are generally purified by steam distillation method, and hence correct answer is 4. During hearing of a court case, the judge suspected that some change in the document had been carried out. The, he asked the forensic department to check the ink used at two different places. According to you, which technique can be give the best result? So for identification of colored compound, we have to use chromatography, and hence we can use thin layer chromatography for this purpose. The principle involved in paper chromatography. So in paper chromatography, partition principle used, and hence correct answer is 2. What is the correct order of decreasing stability of the following cation? So in first cation, this is 2-degree cation. So plus I effect of 2-methyl group is present, along with 6 alpha hydrogen atoms are present. So hyperconjugation is present. In second case, now this carbocation is one of the most stable carbocation because it is stabilized by resonance or alpha effect of oxygen group. So this is one of the most stable carbocation. Now in third case, 5 alpha hydrogen atoms are present, but along with 5 alpha hydrogen, minus I effect of OCH3 group is present. So second is more stable, then first, and third will be least stable, and hence correct answer is first. In this question, we have to find correct IUPAC name of the compound. So we have to open the molecule CH3CH, CH2, CH3, CH, CH2, CH3, and CH3. Now total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 carbon atoms are present, and hence name of the molecule is 3,4-dimethyl hexane, and hence correct option is 2. In which of the following compound the carbon marked with asterisk is expected to have greatest positive charge? Now chlorine is having higher electronegativity than carbon, so chlorine will acquire partial negative charge and carbon will acquire partial positive charge. Now with increasing distance, positive charge decreases. Now in second case, carbon is attached with magnesium. Magnesium is electron donating, so magnesium will acquire partial positive charge, while carbon is having partial negative charge. In third case, Br is present. Br is more electronegative than carbon, so Br will acquire partial negative, and carbon will acquire partial positive charge. In fourth case, they all atoms are having same electronegativity. They all are sp3 hybridized, so there are no distribution of charges. Now positive charge is present in first and third case. Now in first case, more electronegative carbon is present, more electronegative chlorine is present, so maximum positive charge will be present in first, and hence correct answer is 1. Ionic species are stabilized by dispersal of charge. Which of the following carboxylate ion is the most stable? Now in first case, CH3 group is present. CH3 is electron donating, so it will increase charge in carboxylate ion. Now in second case, Cl group is present, which is having minus I effect, so it will decrease charge density on carboxylate ion. In third case, fluorine is present. Fluorine is even more electronegative than chlorine, so it will also again disperse charge of carboxylate ion via minus I, while in fourth case, two fluorine groups are present, so they will disperse maximum electron density from carboxylate ion, and hence correct answer is 4. Electrophilic addition reaction proceed in two steps. The first step involves the addition of electrophile. Name the type of intermediate formed in first step of the following addition reaction. So in this reaction we have propene, and when propene molecule is reacted with H positive ion, now propene will act as nucleophile and hydrogen will act as electrophile. So alkene will donate pair of electron. It will form carbocation. So now this carbocation is formed. So in this case 2 degree carbocation is formed, and hence correct answer is 3, 2 degree carbocation. Covalent bond undergo fission in two different types. The correct representation involving heterolytic bond fission of carbon-bromine bond. So now in carbon-bromine bond, bromine is more electronegative than carbon. So during shifting of bond, electron will be shifted towards more electronegative atom. So shifting will take place towards more electronegative atom, so that carbocation is formed along with formation of Br negative, and hence correct answer is 2. The addition of HCl in an alkene proceed in two steps. The first step is the attack of H positive ion to carbon double bond carbon portion, which can be shown as. Now in this reaction, alkene act as nucleophile and H positive act as electrophile. So alkene will donate pair of electron to H positive, and H positive will accept pair of electron to form carbocation, and hence correct representation of electron transfer is similar to reaction given in second, and hence correct answer is 2. Multiple choice question in which two or more than two options are correct. Now in first question, which of the following compound contain all the carbon atom in same plane? So if all carbon atoms are sp2 hybridized or sp hybridized, then molecule will be present in same plane. Now in first case, this carbon is sp hybridized, sp, sp and sp, so this is linear molecule, and every line is present on same plane, so this molecule is planar. Now in second case, these two carbon atoms are sp3 hybridized, and if carbon atom is sp3 hybridized, then molecule will be tetrahedral, so second molecule is not linear. In third case, this molecule is non-planar because these two terminal valencies are present. If these two valencies are present in vertical plane, then two valency will be present in horizontal plane. So this molecule is similar to tetrahedral molecule. So again, this is not planar. In fourth case, all atoms are sp2 hybridized, and hence molecule is planar, and correct answer is 1 and 4. In which of the following representation given below, special arrangement of group atom different from the given structure A? Now we have four different structures. Now if we compare first structure from this structure, in this structure CH3 is present on top, Cl is present below the plane, CH3 on top, Cl below the plane. Now in these two structures, position of H and Br is exchanged, and if one interchange is done, then compound will have different configuration. So A and 1 are not identical. A and 1 are enantiomer of each other, since only single interchange is done. So this is not identical to given structure. Comparing this molecule with second structure, in this structure position of H, Cl and Br is interchanged by keeping position of CH3 fixed. So A and 2 are identical. So A and 2 are identical or homomer. and they represent same structure. Now comparing A with third, position of CH3 is fixed, position of hydrogen is fixed. Now position of Br and Cl is interchanged, so A and 3 are enantiomer of each other. Now comparing fourth with the structure A, position of CH3 and Br is interchanged, position of H and Cl are interchanged. So even number of interchanges are done, and if even number of interchanges are done, then they represent identical or same structure. So again 1 and 4 are homomer. Now we have to find which of the following given structures are different from A. 1 and 3 are correct options. Electrophile or electron seeking species. Which of the following groups contain only electrophile? So electrophile must have vacant orbital in which they can accept pair of electron. Now BF3 is electrophile, but ammonia and water cannot act as electrophile since they are not having vacant orbital. So first is not correct answer. Now AlCl3 is having vacant orbital, SO3 is having vacant d orbital, and NO2 positive is having vacant orbital. So they all have vacant orbital and they all will act as electrophile. Now NO2 positive, CH3 positive, and acyl carbocation, they all have vacant orbitals, so they all will act as electrophile. Now in this case, C2H5 act as electrophile, C2H5 act as nucleophile, and C2H5 radical is neither electrophile nor nucleophile, and hence correct answer is 2 and 3. Consider the following 4 compounds for answering question number 19 and 20. So in question number 19, we have to find which of the following pair are position isomer. So now first molecule is aldehyde, while second molecule is ketone. This is also ketone. Molecule given in option 4 is aldehyde. So 1 and 4 with 2 and 3 are functional isomer. Now first is having total 5 carbon in main chain, while fourth is having total 4 carbon in main chain. So 1 and 4 are chain isomer. While if we consider 2 and 3, then 2 and 3 are position isomer. So 2 and 3 are position isomer, and hence correct answer is 2. In question number 20, we have to find which of the following pair are not function group isomer. So 1 relation with 2 and 3 are functional isomer. Similarly, 4 relation with 2 and 3 are functional isomer. So 2 and 3. If we consider 2 and 3, they are not functional isomer, rather they are position isomer. 2 is ketone, 4 is aldehyde, so they are functional isomer. 1 and 4, they both are aldehyde, they are having same function group, so they are not functional isomer. Now 1 and 2, they are having different function group, so they are functional isomer. In this question, we have to find which are not functional isomer. So 1, 2 and 3 are not functional isomer, and similarly 1 and 4 are not functional isomer. Hence correct answer is 1 and 3. Nucleophile is a species that should have a pair of electrons to donate. Now nucleophile are those species which have pair of electrons in high energy orbital, so that can be donated easily. Now if any species donate pair of electrons to carbon, then it will be regarded as nucleophile, and this nucleophile must have pair of electrons which are present in high energy orbital, so they can be easily donated, and hence correct answer is 1. Hyperconjugation involve delocalization of, so during hyperconjugation, carbon hydrogen sigma bond electrons are shifted to unhybridized or vacant p orbital. So these electrons are shifted towards unhybridized p orbital. So hyperconjugation is possible in alkene, and carbocation also have unhybridized p orbital or vacant p orbital. So they also show phenomena of hyperconjugation in which carbon hydrogen are shifted towards vacant p orbital. So electrons of carbon hydrogen sigma bond of an alkyl group directly attached to an atom of unsaturated system. Now this is correct statement. Electrons of carbon hydrogen sigma bond of alkyl group directly attached to positively charged carbon atom. This is also correct. Pi electrons of carbon carbon bond. This is incorrect. Lone pair of electron. This is also incorrect, and hence correct answer is 1 and 2. Solids which have different solubility in a solvent and which do not undergo reaction when dissolved in it. So they have different solubility in a solvent. So the component which will be more soluble will go to solvent, while the substance which is less soluble will be separated. So they can be separated by crystallization method. So first E. Now in second case, liquid that decompose at its boiling point. Now those liquid which decomposed before their boiling point, so they are distilled under reduced pressure. So second D. Now in third case, those compounds which are steam volatile, they are distilled under steam distillation method. So third A. In fourth, two liquids which have boiling point close to each other, those liquids which have closer boiling point, they can be distilled under fractional distillation method. And in this method, fractionating column length is increased. So fourth B. Two liquids with large difference in boiling point. If two liquids are having huge difference in boiling point, then they can be distilled by a simple distillation method. So fifth C. Match the terms mentioned in column 1 with the terms in column 2. First, carbocation. So carbocation are sp2 hybridized carbon with empty p orbital. Now the carbocation are having 3 bond pair and 1 unhybridized orbital. So carbocations are sp2 hybridized. So first C. Nucleophile are those species which have pair of electron of high energy. So they the species then can supply pair of electron. So 2F. In third, hyperconjugation. So hyperconjugation involves transfer of carbon hydrogen sigma bond with empty p orbital at adjacent positively charged or unhybridized carbon. So 3B. Now fourth, isomer. So cyclohexane and hexene, one hexene. Cyclohexane and one hexene are isomer. Cyclohexane. Now this molecule is cyclohexane and cyclohexene. They both have molecular formula C6H12. They have same molecular formula, but they are different compounds, so they are isomer. So fourth A. Now fifth, sp hybridization. Now in ethine molecule, both the carbon atoms are sp hybridized. So fifth D. Now sixth, electrophile. Electrophile are those states which have vacant orbital and vacant orbital of low energy, so they can easily accept pair of electron. So 6 E. Match column 1 with column 2. Now first, Dumas method. Now in Dumas method, all the nitrogen present in sample is converted to nitrogen gas. So first C. In Gildoll method, nitrogen is converted to ammonium sulfate, then ammonium hydroxide, then ammonia. So first C. Second E. Third, Carius method. Now Carius method is used for estimation of chlorine, bromine and iodine. Now Cl, Br, I are converted to AgCl, AgBr and AgI. So Carius method is related with AgNO3. So third A. Now fourth, chromatography. So silica gel is used as adsorbent in chromatography. So chromatography is related with silica gel. Fifth, homolysis, and homolysis will form free radical. So fifth D. For example, if we have Cl2 molecule and homolysis takes place, so after homolysis it will generate two free radicals. So fifth D. Match the intermediate given in the column 1 with their probable structure in the column 2. Now free radicals are sp2 hybridized. So free radicals are trigonal planar. So first A. Now carbocations are also sp2 hybridized. So carbocations are also tree. So they are also trigonal planar. So second A. Now in third, carbanions are sp3 hybridized. They have pyramidal ammonia-like structure. So third B. Question 54. Match the ions given in column 1 with the nature given in column 2. Now first carbocation is having alpha effect, so it is stabilized by resonance. Along with it is having minus I effect, so destabilized by inductive effect. So first A and B. Now we have CF3 positive. Now CH3 positive is again stabilized by resonance and destabilized by inductive effect. So second A and B, because in CF3 positive here minus I effect of fluorine is present along with plus M effect of fluorine is also present, but they are overall destabilized because inductive effect is stronger than mesomeric effect. Now in third case, this molecule is destabilized by resonance. Only resonance is present. So third C. In fourth case, now this molecule is stabilized by resonance and stabilized by hyperconjugation effect. Now 6 alpha hydrogen atoms are present. Along with this is secondary carbocation. So fourth is stabilized by hyperconjugation and is secondary carbocation. So C and D.